What would you do if food prices suddenly went up? Or if supply chains slowed down again like during the pandemic? Here's the good news. You can grow a surprising amount of your own food, even in a small backyard, rooftop, or a few containers. Today, we're talking about 15 crops you can grow to survive difficult times. Crops that are reliable, calorie-rich, easy to store, and keep producing even when conditions get tough. Let's get into it. 1. Potatoes. Potatoes are one of the best survival crops. They grow fast, produce a lot in a small space, and store well for months. They're calorie-rich and can be boiled, fried, mashed, or turned into soups. Containers, grow bags, or soil beds, potatoes adapt everywhere. 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are even easier to grow than regular potatoes. They survive heat, drought, and poor soil. The leaves are edible too, giving you greens while you wait for the roots to mature. A perfect survival food. 3. Beans. Beans are a powerhouse crop. They grow vertically, saving space. They fix nitrogen in the soil, improving fertility. And they're packed with protein, essential in tough times. You can eat them fresh or dry them for long-term storage. 4. Rice beans. Cowpeas are drought-resistant and extremely reliable. They grow well even when water is limited. Their dried beans store for years and are cheap to produce at home. 5. Corn. Corn is a traditional survival crop. It grows tall, produces a lot, and the kernels can be eaten fresh, dried, or ground into flour. Corn husks also make great animal feed, useful during emergencies. 6. Cassava. Cassava is famous for surviving poor soil and extreme heat. Once planted, it keeps growing even if neglected. The tubers are calorie-rich and can stay in the ground for months until you harvest them. 7. Moringa. Moringa is like a natural multivitamin. The leaves contain protein, calcium, iron, and antioxidants. The tree grows fast and survives drought. You can eat it fresh, dry it for powder, or use the pods in cooking. 8. Spinach or Malabar spinach. Leafy greens are essential during difficult times. Spinach grows fast, but Malabar spinach is better for hot climates because it survives all seasons. A few plants give you fresh leaves every single day. 9. Onions. Onions are hardy, long-lasting, and multi-purpose. Once harvested, they store beautifully. You can regrow onions from scraps, making them perfect for self-sustaining gardening. 10. Garlic. Garlic is medically useful and a great flavor booster. It stores for months and takes very little space. Plus, garlic has natural antibacterial properties handy in survival situations. 11. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the most versatile crops you can grow. You can eat them raw, cook them, sun-dry them, can them, or turn them into sauce. Cherry tomatoes grow quickly and keep producing all season. 12. Pumpkins. Pumpkins produce massive amounts of food from just a few plants. They store for months without refrigeration. The seeds, flesh, and even the young shoots are edible. 13. Okra. Okra is a high-yield crop that survives intense heat and poor soil. It produces continuously and can be eaten fresh or dried into powder for thickening soups and stews. 14. Peanuts. Peanuts are great for survival because they provide protein and healthy fats. They grow underground, don't need much water, and store well after drying. 15. Bananas or plantains. Bananas and plantains are excellent long-term food crops. Once established, a single clump produces fruit for years. Plantains in particular work well as a cooked vegetable and provide steady calories. Extra tips. Always grow a mix of root crops, leafy greens, and protein-rich legumes for a balanced diet. Store seeds from each harvest so you stay self-sufficient. Use compost. It reduces dependence on fertilizer. Learn simple preservation methods: drying, pickling, fermenting. Grow vertically to save space. Beans, Malabar spinach, and tomatoes love climbing. If you found this useful, hit the like button. Tell me which survival crop you think is most important. And subscribe for more practical guides on food security, gardening, and home sustainability. See you in the next video.